This Airbnb looks normal until you see what's underground. Imagine this. You've been scrolling through Airbnb looking for something different, something magical, something unforgettable. And there it is. A simple tent nestled quietly in the forest near Asheville, North Carolina. A tent that looks so normal, so ordinary, you might almost skip over it. But there's a secret this tent holds. One that will completely upend everything you thought you knew about getting away. Welcome to Alchemy, one of the most extraordinary Airbnbs you'll ever hear about. The quiet facade. Why this Airbnb lures you in? There's something mesmerizing about places that look simple but hide secrets. Maybe it's human nature, our fascination with mystery, the allure of the unknown. This Airbnb begins like any other rustic getaway, a modest tent, perched on the side of a mountain slope, surrounded by towering pines and the crisp mountain air. No neon signs, no grand decorations, just a humble canvas shelter, a spot that looks like the perfect place for a peaceful night under the stars. But what you don't see is the magic lurking just beneath your feet. Meet the creators, the visionaries behind Alchemy. Behind this incredible hidden home are Caroline and Mike Parrish, the husband and wife team who run Treehouses of Serenity, a unique hospitality venture specializing in imaginative, nature-inspired stays near Asheville. Caroline and Mike's vision was clear from the start: create a space that looks unassuming but surprises and delights guests in ways no traditional cabin or hotel can. They wanted to blend architectural ingenuity with storytelling. The tent, they decided, would not just be a shelter, it would be the roof of an underground home. A home hidden beneath the earth, waiting to be discovered. Engineering the impossible, building an underground haven. Building a home underground comes with enormous challenges. You need a structure that can withstand the pressure of the earth above. Waterproofing is critical. Ventilation, insulation, heating, and cooling must all be carefully planned to make the space livable year-round. Caroline and Mike took 6 to 8 months and invested roughly $300,000 to bring this dream to life. They used steel-reinforced concrete to create a sturdy, invisible roof, strong enough to hold the weight of the forest above. The tent you see? It's not just a pretty cover. It's the entryway and the roof of a secret dwelling hidden beneath the forest floor. Nature and design come together seamlessly here. The slope of the land helps conceal the structure, making it almost invisible from above. Sliding into wonder, the entrance to another world. Imagine arriving at a place where the ordinary suddenly feels extraordinary. You approach the entrance expecting the usual: a dirt path, a worn tent flap, maybe the faint scent of campfire smoke. But then you see it, a spiral slide curling mysteriously into darkness below. It's not just a slide. It's an invitation. As you step onto the smooth curve, the cool surface beneath your hands, your body begins its gentle descent. The outside world, the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the open sky, fades away. You're sliding down into a secret realm, a hidden sanctuary nestled beneath the earth, waiting just for you. The darkness isn't frightening. It's comforting, like a warm embrace pulling you deeper into wonder. Each rotation of the slide spins away the noise and distraction of everyday life. You feel your heartbeat slow, your mind clear, as if this simple descent is a ritual cleansing. At the bottom, you land softly in a place that defies expectation. No rugged campfire or scratchy sleeping bag. Instead, you're surrounded by glowing lights, plush cushions, and the quiet hum of tranquility. This isn't just a retreat, it's a portal, a threshold between worlds. 1 foot in the familiar, 1 step into magic. Guests say this moment is unforgettable, where disbelief gives way to awe, and you realize you've entered something truly extraordinary. Sliding down isn't just movement, it's transformation. A journey from the everyday into the extraordinary. And once you've slipped through this hidden door, you may never look at a slide, or the world, the same way again. The interior. A cozy, whimsical escape. When you reach the bottom, you enter a space that perfectly blends the whimsy of camping with the comfort of a luxury retreat. No drywall here. Instead, the walls and ceiling are covered in fabric panels, mimicking the look and feel of the tent above. Colorful flags and knotted ropes add playful touches that make you feel like you're inside a storybook. The interior is compact but meticulously designed. A queen-size bed invites deep, restful sleep. A fold-out futon expands the sleeping space for family or friends. A full kitchen lets you prepare meals equipped with modern appliances. A full bathroom offers hot water and plumbing, providing all the comforts of home. Air conditioning and heating ensure you stay cozy no matter the season. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the Blue Ridge Mountains, nature's artwork visible even from underground. The emotional power of Alchemy. Why does this Airbnb captivate guests so deeply? Because it offers more than a place to sleep, it offers an experience that touches the soul. There's something deeply human about finding refuge underground. It calls back to our ancestors who lived in caves and earth homes for protection and comfort. This hidden home revives that primal feeling of safety and shelter while blending it with modern luxury. Guests often share stories of transformation, of how stepping into alchemy dissolves their worries and sparks childlike wonder. One visitor described the moment sliding down into the home as a reset, a chance to leave behind stress and rediscover joy in simplicity and surprise. The philosophy behind the design, more than just a novelty. For Caroline and Mike, Alchemy isn't just a clever Airbnb gimmick. It's a statement about how we experience space, nature, and hospitality. They chose the underground design to spark curiosity and reflection, to invite guests to look beyond what's obvious, to embrace surprise, wonder, and discovery. The bigger picture, how Alchemy reflects new trends in travel. In an age where authentic and experiential travel are prized, Alchemy fits perfectly. Travelers today don't just want a bed to sleep in, they want stories, connection, and meaningful escapes. Unique stays like this remind us that the best vacations aren't about checking off tourist spots, but about creating memories that linger, moments of awe, delight, and surprise. Imagine your own stay. Close your eyes for a moment. You arrive at the site on a crisp autumn evening, the scent of pine heavy in the cool air. Before you is a small, unassuming tent, perched quietly on the mountainside. Curious, you unzip the flap and step inside. The forest floor? Gone. Instead, a slide beckons, smooth, twisting, inviting. You slide down into a softly lit room, surrounded by fabric walls and twinkling lights. The scent of fresh linen and pine fills the air. Outside the windows, the stars are bright, the mountain silhouettes sharp against the night sky. You sink into the bed, a smile spreading across your face. This is no ordinary night away. This is a story you'll tell for years to come. What would you do? Would you dare to enter the tent and slide into this secret world below? Would you choose the comfort of an underground home over the traditional camping experience under the open sky? Or is your perfect escape found elsewhere, around a campfire under a star-studded sky? The magic is waiting. The world is full of surprises, hidden treasures that often go unnoticed. Alchemy reminds us to look closely, to seek the extraordinary beneath the ordinary. Because sometimes the most magical places are those that quietly wait beneath the surface, ready to transform our experience of travel, nature, and ourselves. If this secret underground Airbnb sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to discover more hidden wonders from around the world. Share this story with fellow adventurers who crave mystery and magic in their travels. Because the best adventures, they're the ones waiting to be discovered.